Hey, what's up everybody, welcome to our video. PK Tech Tips back here again guys with this new setup, everything new, beautiful looking setup studio guys. So with that, we're here again making new video guys, and this time we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy M30. So it's been a lot of days since the Samsung Galaxy M30 is out. It's been like 3 to 4 months, but I still like this phone a lot because of what it offers for its price. And henceforth I'm thinking to do a revisiting video, which is this one, before its big brother M40 comes out next week at Amazon special June 11th. So what are you waiting for guys? If you're here for this reason, let's get into the video, shall we? So the Samsung Galaxy M30 guys comes up with a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, which is great because I don't think you get such beautiful displays in any company's smartphone other than Samsung for this budget. A Super AMOLED display which looks so beautiful, the color accuracy, the saturation, everything is perfect on the screen for such a price is great. Looking at the back guys, the back is although made of fiber, but still from a far end it looks like it's built of glass, and the Nebula Blue combo makes it much better and much premium. Looking at the side guys, we have on the right side the power button, and above it the volume rockers. At the left we have the SIM card slot and the expandable memory card slot. Expandable memory slot hits my mind that you can expand the storage of this phone up to 1 TB with an SD card, which is very rare again in today's phone. Looking at the up, we don't have anything. Looking at the down, we have a stereo speaker, USB-C type slot, and the most important one, obviously, the 3.5mm audio jack, which is pretty rare in today's phone guys. And while the $500-600 phone are yet to offer this feature, this $200 phone turns out to offer you this features with many more. Not only have these great features, but it also have fingerprint sensor at the back and the Face ID unlock, which is great. As I told you, one stereo speaker below, and also it has a earpiece speaker which also gives you sound while you're watching some videos or movies. That is above the U-notch front camera, as you can see right here in your screen, the small one, which is not much visible from a far end to be honest. Again, coming back up to the display guys, the Infinity U display, which is great. I mean, the color accuracy, everything is pretty perfect, and the U-notch camera makes it look much better. And the best gesture that I found about this phone is when you actually on your phone by clicking the button and show your face, you're gonna see some animation around the U-notch camera. That's so beautiful. That's really great. Small things that Samsung is doing with its budget phone, which is making its budget phone a lot better. Getting up to the camera guys, it has a triple camera setup at the back, 130 megapixel f1.9 aperture normal camera, another 5 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide angle camera, which is going to help you to take wide angle photos. Like you can see on the screen, this is a normal photo with a normal camera, and when you go with the wide angle you get something like this. So it's going to help you a lot while you're taking some group photos or something like that. The third camera is the depth sensor, 5 megapixel f2.2 aperture, is going to help you to take portrait videos and portrait photos. Coming up to the selfie camera guys, it's a 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture, pretty good, takes quite nice selfies for this price. But looking at the back camera quality guys, the back camera quality is pretty cool. I mean, you can see some photos that I have took, be it low light, be it over light, it's just perfect. It just takes good photos, solid photos with good accuracy and good details. So guys, this is the phone review. This phone is very cheap, and even if you ship it outside India, because it's only available in India, it's going to cost you about $300 to $350, and I don't think this phone falls back at any place for $350. Moreover, it also gives you a 3x fast charging and a 5000 milliamp hour battery, which is going to last you over 2 days easily if you're just a normal music and video guy. And also the games runs pretty smooth over the MailTech G71, I guess so. G71, yes. So for $300 outside India, $200 inside India, this phone is a great phone. And yes, if you want to buy this, you can still buy this, but we are yet to see the big brother, the M40, come out next week guys. So until then, if you like this phone, we have the link in the description. Go check this app phone at the Amazon. It has got a big discount on Amazon, so you can get it up around about 11,000, like about $190 easily, guys. So go check this out if you want to. Till then, see you in the next video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.